Now let us discuss what is a stock exchange. So a stock exchange is a centralized marketplace where securities and stocks are traded, they are bought or sold, and it is also a platform where companies can raise money by issuing IPO, initial public offering. As I told you, if they want to do an expansion or something like that, they can raise money by doing a IPO. So it is a whole process, and they go to SEBI, they get checked the valuation. SEBI calculates everything, what is the valuation, what will be the share price, how many shares will be listed, and everything is done fairly. It doesn't happen like that anyone will go and he'll list his share in the market. It doesn't happen like that. So there are many stock exchanges in India, but the two main are BSE and NSE. So Bombay Stock Exchange, it is one of the oldest exchanges in India. It was established in 1875, but right now the main stock exchange where all the major trading is done, that is the National Stock Exchange, that is known as NSE. It was founded in 1992. This is the building. You can see here the stock price, how much it has changed, what is the price. It tells us everything, and now in the world of internet, everything is telecasted and onto the televisions, or we have applications to monitor everything. In terms of trading volume and turnover, it is the largest stock exchange in India. As I told you, the one is MCX, it is for commodities. There is BCD and CDS for currency exchange, and there are many, but the main two are these, and even the main one is NSE, National Stock Exchange. It is a place where everything is bought or sold, and there is a regulator, SEBI, which monitors everything. So we have understood all this. Now let's come down to indexes. We have talked a lot about the companies, how the company works, how the valuation is calculated, whether a company is performing good or not. Now as a retail investor, as an individual, one can be confused that whether I should invest in this company, whether I should invest in Tata Motors, or whether I should invest in Maruti Suzuki. I don't know. I don't have the time to read the fundamental report of the company, the financial report of the company, or it takes a lot of time, or maybe I don't have enough knowledge to do. So for them, or for other reasons, there are indexes. Now the one of the major index in India is Nifty 50. Now let us see what is Nifty 50. 50, it comprises the 50 largest and most actively traded stocks listed on the NSE. Basically the top 50 companies of the country. It comprises of Nifty 50. You can understand it like that, and it is from diverse sectors such as banking, financial services, IT, energy, consumer good, pharmaceuticals. So that the Indian equity market, it is a broad representation of the Indian equity market. So if I want to track like how the Indian equity market grows, like in the past 10 years, what is the growth of the Indian equity market, I can just see how Nifty is performing. So I could know how the overall Indian market is performing. If like 50 companies are there and 40 companies are going up and 10 companies are going down, like the same rate which are there going up, so Nifty will increase as the majority of the companies are increasing. So this is how one can look at Nifty 50, or he can see how this happens. So calculation is done using market capitalization, float weighted method, and all this is not important, that we have to understand. In Sensex is listed in BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. In Nifty 50, it is 50 largest in the National Stock Exchange. You can see Nifty 50 is in National Stock Exchange, whereas the Sensex, it is in Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. So it comprises of the 30 largest company, and like same what I told about Nifty in the BSE. So these are the like particular benchmarks how the Indian market is performing, Nifty 50 and Sensex.